Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can sign mystery player in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So this is a mystery signing event is back. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game. Still confusing how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's tap the news update first. This is the mystery signing and is back. This event is back with a twist. Uncover hints about two featured players over the week and then choose your favorite to add to your squad. So you can only choose one player of two, and new mystery signing are added every week. So it will be different player in each week. And let's get started. Try to search the mystery signing event, this one. So as you can see, I already refilled two player. This one, Musa Diabi, the first one, he is a French player, right midfielder from play for Aston Villa in Premier League. And the second one, Alexis MC Aliser, Argentinian midfielder, and play for Liverpool in Premier League. So I already refilled both player. And how to sign this player? You can sign only one, as you can see this, or not and. It's or, so you can choose whoever you need for your club or for your squad, Musa Diabi or Alexis McAllister. You can choose only one player. And unlock in 9 hours from I made this video, it means tomorrow in my country. This one, it will be green button here, free. And this is untradeable player. You can sell it, this player, or train for other player. This is the untradeable player. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.